Let's talk about how we have integrated um, basically seamless integration into Axle insurance verification. So any of you that have used the contactless technology that we have, I'm sure a lot of you have used that. You simply can request signature. You can simply request customer information or request a payment. Now we have added one more link to just simply request insurance verification. So when you click on that, right here, you can see the list of the verifications that you have done. These are all tests that we have done. And then you can see the statuses. So if the verification has been completed, you will see it in completed and it's clickable. If it's open, if it's exited, means that the customer started the verification, but they exited, or requested means that the request was sent and it hasn't been clicked on yet. So you can see who sent it, the date, or the last updated for that specific request. So simply you put the email address of the customer and click on send, just like request information. An email appears in their mailbox, complete insurance verification. And then right here, they click to start the process. And this is a secure link called Ignition. So it says, it shows your company name. It shows that it's secure, it's transparent. If they need to see any privacy policy, they can see that. They click continue, and then it will say that it will receive all these informations from their insurance policy. So they click continue. And then as you can see, many different carriers are supported pretty much nationwide. So this is a very comprehensive list, and pretty much I haven't seen it anywhere that these many are available to be verified. So the customer clicks on the carrier, enters their information, basically username and password. They might get a notification that the insurer is being logged in. So that's pretty normal when they click on connect. So right here, it's connecting to the insurance provider. As you can see, retrieve the insurance. They can select which one they want to share. Click continue. And that's it. The insurance has been shared successfully. What does it mean? If you go back to run Centric system, this was requested. If I refresh, it will be completed. Right here, I can click on it and I can see the policies. So this is a Mercedes-Benz and a Hyundai Sonata, the policy number. These are sandbox or demo information, but once you click on any of them, you can see all the details about the insurance for this company. So as you saw, it's very seamless, very accurate, and pretty much you're getting the entire policy. So here you can see what the policy type is, the effective and end date. You can see the VIN number of the vehicles and the vehicles basically insured, lien holder or lesser. You can see the insured people on the right-hand side. That's what's important. You can see all the coverages. You can see the third parties, as well as some metadata, and the declaration page, which will be a PDF that they can also access that. And you can do this under reservation or even under the customer. So even if you enter the customer on its own, you can ask them to verify that. But we recommend to be under each insurance, because people's situation changes, and you might have insurance that was valid for the previous reservation not being valid on the next reservation. So that information will be loaded right on their reservation page, on their request information. So you can see how many basically insurances was requested or completed. And by clicking on it, you can see it. You can not only do this, means that you can basically you can send a on-demand link to the customer for verification, but you can also automate it. So right here, if I go to the settings, website and email setup, reservation email, you can actually plant the link inside the reservation email. So right here on the right-hand side, as you can see, if you have contact us, you have seen this before, you can include the signature link, payment link, or insurance verification link. So registration link also is for completing their information. So if you include the verification link, simply when the customer receives the reservation email, not only they can finish entering their personal information and additional information, which means their personal info, phone number, driver's license info, credit card info, and then they do that, then you can include a signature link, which they can sign their contract right out of the reservation email. But also you can include an insurance verification link, which pretty much when they click on it, it will generate the same process that you saw for them to go through it and provide you with their insurance coverage and fully basically downloading it into Centric. And that history will remain in the system, and you can see exactly when it was verified and what information they had on their insurance. So we try to keep the integration very simple, very similar to what you already have. And as soon as you sign up, we enable the service for you, and that link appears in your system, and you can start verifying the insurance.